Hey guys, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Maybelline Color Sensational Vivid Matte Liquid Lip Color. I have been using this specific lipstick for a couple of years, and I really like it. It comes in 12 different shades, so it's not like a huge variety, but they still give you, like, within those 12, you've got some reds, pinks, nudes, and purples, which is they cover like the main lipstick shade family, I think, in my opinion. The description online of this product says, drench your lips in sensuous vivid color, pure pigments collide with a creamy liquid base for a velvety soft cushiony feel. The result is a high impact lip that stands out. I definitely agree that it does give you a high impact lip that stands out. I didn't realize I had like eyeliner on that. Sorry. Something black. I've had it for a while. I love it. I will say I don't think it's super matte. It does get a little matte. It does go from like a nice sheen to a little bit of a matte feeling, but it's very wet. So it's not something that dries. When I think of matte lipstick, I think of putting it on and then having to wait for it to dry, and then I don't have to worry about it. So with that being said, it doesn't really stay on all day. Like, you have to reapply it throughout the day because it does fade a little bit, which is a little bit disappointing, but I love the color so much, and the colors that they have so much, that I still just love it. The product itself doesn't have too much information. The color that I have is number 20. It's electric pink. And I have this in a few different colors. Aside from that, there's not really any information on the product itself, and it comes just like this. When you buy it, it does come sealed like around here, around the opening, so you know that you're getting full product, no one has messed with it at all. It's always really good to know. So we'll go ahead and open this up. It's a twist cap. I really like the fact that it's like a rectangle. I think it just makes it a little cute, kind of cute. Just adds a little something to it. And there you go, that is the wand. The wand does have a little bit of an angle, which is really nice. I think the wand is kind of big, so if you have like really small lips, you can like hardly see the angle. It's a very small angle. But I like angles on my wands for my lips because it just makes for a more precise application. I do wish this wand was a little bit smaller and had more of an angle, but it still works pretty nicely. I still like it, which says a lot. There's still quite a bit of product in there. It hasn't dried out. I can do a little color swatch so you can see the pigmentation of this lipstick. So there you go. It's really great color. But like I said, it doesn't dry very quick. It doesn't really dry. So when you eat or when you like drink something, you're gonna leave traces on your straw or your glass or whatever you're drinking out of, or whatever utensils you're using, and then it's also gonna fade, so you'll have to reapply after you eat for sure. The color is really pretty. It's very pigmented, so you don't really have to go over it with more than one layer, which is really nice, and that's probably why the product lasts a while, because I can just put on one layer, not have to keep going over and over to get the color, to get like a nice true deep color. But yeah, it is made in the USA. It's part of Maybelline New York, which I think Maybelline is just a really good drugstore brand, or it's a good brand that you can find anywhere, Amazon, like anything like that. I actually don't know that they make this specific shade anymore because I have had it a while. They have very similar shades to it though, so you'll find something close to it But yeah, I do wish that it was a bit more matte than it actually is. Seeing as it says matte, like as you can see, it's pretty glossy. It doesn't feel glossy though. We'll make sure I point that out. It's not sticky like gloss is. It's just wet, if that makes sense, any sense. But yeah, I will keep using it because I really like the colors that they have, the color options, and it's this small, so I can just throw it in my bag. It doesn't take up much room. You can get it through TSA at the airport, no problem. The shape does make it a little weird, I think, when you're like, if you're stuffing all of your makeup into one bag and it's like already full, the shape of this is not going to help it to fit better. If it was round, it probably would be better, but I don't know. I like the shape. I think it just makes it kind of cute. I like cute things. But yeah. If you're looking for a real true matte lipstick, I definitely would not recommend this one. But if you're looking for something that's going to have really high pigmentation and just really great color options, then I do recommend this one. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.